Are you looking to improve your Craft CMS website with the best plugins of 2024? Today, I'm talking about 5 must-have Craft CMS plugins that I use to improve my website's functionality and user experience. Hello, this is Chris with Westside Technology Solutions, and today I'm talking about what I think are some of the essential Craft CMS plugins for 2024. If you're a startup, business, or an entrepreneur, these plugins will really help your project reach new capabilities. So our first must-have plugin of 2024 is called ImagerX. This plugin has truly established itself as one of the best image manipulation plugins for Craft CMS, and its importance only continues to grow. ImagerX offers tools that help you manage and optimize your images very easily. So what makes ImagerX stand out? Well, first off, it has an efficient templating syntax, which allows you to perform multiple image transforms without breaking a sweat. This way you can crop, resize, or adjust all in one line of code, saving you lots of time and effort. It also includes file-based transformations. With ImagerX, you don't have to worry about draining your database with image queries. Everything is handled directly within the file system. This speeds up the performance of your site significantly. Also, in terms of modern image formats, ImagerX supports WebP, AVIF, and JPEG XL, making sure your images are optimized for both quality and loading times. Plus, it doesn't leave legacy formats behind. And then of course, one of my favorite features is its auto-generate transforms. Picture this, you upload an asset or save an element, and the image transforms are generated automatically. This means less manual work for you. ImagerX improves your image management, letting you handle both local and cloud-based assets with ease, including any external images that you might have. Customization is also very straightforward. You can set aspect ratios, apply advanced effects, and even use letterbox resize mode to make your images pop. There's also a fallback image feature, which ensures that placeholder images are shown when assets become missing, keeping your site looking polished. This is really important for responsive design, as ImagerX makes it simple to create images that look great on any device. Overall, ImagerX is a powerful tool that should definitely be on your radar for Craft CMS projects in 2024. Now on to the second plugin on our list, the Contact Form by Pixel and Tonic. This plugin is pretty convenient for anyone using Craft CMS, as it simplifies the process of adding a contact form to your website. The main feature of the Contact Form plugin is its ability to integrate an email contact form directly into your site. With a very simple installation, you can create and customize your form to match your branding, ensuring that you engage with your visitors effectively. It's really nice that you don't even really need anything like a Craft CMS plugin tutorial to figure this out. It really is perfect for those new to Craft CMS and plugin development. Today's third plugin is Amazon S3. This plugin is becoming more and more relevant as time goes on, especially in 2024 for businesses and projects using Craft CMS. As we continue to create more content, storage solutions are really important to maintaining the website performance. With the demand for quick, reliable access to data, Amazon S3 stands out as a great choice for those looking to enhance the site's performance. Now, what makes Amazon S3 so special, and why would you use it? For starters, it offers scalable storage that grows with your business. You don't really have to worry about running out of space or dealing with slow data retrieval. Its high-performance data retrieval ensures that your users get what they need when they need it with minimal delays. Plus, it integrates really well with Amazon CloudFront, which optimizes your content delivery for even faster access. Oh, and don't forget, it has version control and backup capabilities, ensuring that your valuable data is both secure and recoverable. So how do you integrate Amazon S3 with Craft CMS? It's pretty straightforward. You can install it easily via the plugin store or using Composer. Once it's installed, you'll need to set up some environment variables like your AWS access key and secret asset. Once it's installed, you'll need to set up some environment variables like your AWS access key and your secret access key. After that, just configure your file systems in the Craft CMS settings and you're good to go. Like I mentioned, S3 can really help your business scale efficiently. It provides reliable data security, supports your growth, and enhances user experience through faster load times and convenient content delivery. If you're serious about improving your website's performance in 2024, this is definitely one plugin you'll want to check out. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you know how important SEO is, and you might have seen this plugin before. SEO by Ether Creative is a powerful SEO plugin designed for Craft CMS. It streamlines SEO tasks and improves your site's capabilities right from the dashboard, making it super easy for you and your team to manage your optimization efforts. One of the coolest features of this plugin is the SEO field type. This allows you to manage your meta tags really easily. You can focus on keywords that matter most to you, and SEO even helps you track your page score, letting you see how well your content is optimized. Another great feature is the Sitemap Manager. This tool automatically supports your sections and categories, and you can customize URLs as well as manage change frequency and priority. This means Google's bots can easily navigate your site, boosting your chances of ranking higher. There's also a really convenient redirect manager. It really simplifies the process of adding 301 and 302 redirects. You can even use regular expression support for more complex redirect needs. For example, if you've decided to change an old URL to something new, no worries. Just set up a redirect to guide users and search engines to the updated link. And today's last plugin is called CK Editor by Pixel and Tonic. I used to use a plugin called Redactor, but being that it's no longer maintained, this is the what you see is what you get editor of choice for Craft CMS. This is so nice to have in a content management system, especially when integrated with Craft CMS. Obviously, the main feature of this editor is its advanced rich text editing capabilities. You're not just limited to basic text formatting. You can easily apply styles like bold, italics, superscript, subscript, and more. This means your content can be more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. What I really like about it is the usability. It integrates so nicely into the Craft CMS control panel, making it intuitive for content authors, technical and non-technical alike. You'll find easy navigation and quick access to all of the functionality that you'll need, helping you focus more on creating rather than just figuring out how to use it. Customization is really easy too. You can apply your own styles using CSS classes and configure HTML purifier settings for security. Plus, it supports nested entries within your rich text content, giving you even more flexibility in how you present your information. So why is this editor a must-have plugin in 2024? It really is simple. It adeptly handles complex text and copy and style formatting, integrates nicely with Craft CMS, and continues to receive updates that align with the latest web standards. This one is a no-brainer for empowering your users. So there you have it, 5 Craft CMS plugins to improve your site's online presence, streamline your workflow, create customized solutions, and user-friendly experiences that can significantly elevate your presence. By leveraging these amazing plugins, you can make informed decisions that position your site for growth and success. If you're ready to take your business to the next level with custom software development and consulting, please reach out today. We can talk about how Craft CMS plugins can be integrated into your strategy and help scale efficiently while keeping costs under control. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day.